The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra is the latest flagship smartphone from Samsung, packed with cutting-edge features and powerful performance. As a proud owner of this incredible device, you'll want to ensure its protection and enhance its functionality with the right cases and accessories. The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra is a powerful smartphone that deserves nothing but the best. In this video, we will explore the top 5 Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra cases and accessories that are must-haves for any Galaxy S24 Ultra user. Welcome back to Next Coolest Gadgets, the channel where we bring you the latest and greatest in the world of technology. Protecting the display and camera lenses of your Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra is crucial to maintain its pristine condition. ESR offers high-quality screen and camera lens protectors that are designed specifically for this smartphone model. These protectors are made from tempered glass, ensuring durability and scratch resistance. The precise cutouts allow for easy installation and do not interfere with the functionality of the device. With ESR screen and camera lens protectors, you can enjoy peace of mind knowing that your Galaxy S24 Ultra is safeguarded against accidental drops and scratches. ESR screen and camera lens protectors also feature an oleophobic coating, which repels fingerprints and smudges, keeping your display and camera lenses crystal clear. The high transparency of these protectors ensures that there is no loss in screen clarity or image quality. Whether you're streaming your favorite movies or capturing stunning photos, ESR screen and camera lens protectors provide unparalleled protection without compromising on the user experience. For an immersive audio experience, the Galaxy Buds 2 Pro is a perfect companion for your Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. These true wireless earbuds offer exceptional sound quality, thanks to their advanced audio technology. With active noise cancellation, you can block out unwanted noise and focus on your music or calls. The Galaxy Buds 2 Pro also feature a comfortable and ergonomic design, ensuring a secure fit for hours of listening pleasure. What sets the Galaxy Buds 2 Pro apart is their seamless integration with the Samsung ecosystem. You can easily connect and control your earbuds directly from your Galaxy S24 Ultra. Customize the equalizer settings, adjust the ambient sound levels, and even locate your lost earbuds with ease. The Galaxy Buds 2 Pro also support wireless charging, allowing you to conveniently power them up on the go. Elevate your audio experience with the Galaxy Buds 2 Pro and enjoy music, podcasts, and calls like never before. The Pitaka Mag EZ Case 4 is a sleek and minimalist case designed specifically for the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. Made from premium aramid fiber, this case provides excellent protection against drops, bumps, and scratches, without adding unnecessary bulk to your device. The precise cutouts ensure easy access to all ports and buttons, while the raised edges protect your screen and camera lenses from direct contact with surfaces. One of the standout features of the Pitaka Mag EZ Case 4 is its compatibility with magnetic accessories. The built-in magnets allow for seamless attachment and detachment of various Pitaka accessories, such as the Mag EZ mount and Mag EZ wallet. With the Mag EZ mount, you can securely mount your Galaxy S24 Ultra in your car or on any magnetic surface, while the Mag EZ wallet provides a convenient storage solution for your cards and cash. The Pitaka Mag EZ Case 4 offers a perfect blend of style, protection, and functionality for your Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. With its massive 5000 mAh battery capacity, the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra can keep up with your demanding usage. However, to ensure that your device is always ready to go, a high-quality charger is essential. The Anker Prime 100-watt GAN wall charger is a perfect choice for fast and efficient charging. This compact charger utilizes GAN technology, which allows for higher power output while maintaining a smaller form factor. Equipped with USB-C power delivery, the Anker Prime 100W GAN wall charger can rapidly charge your Galaxy S24 Ultra, providing up to 100 watt of power. This means that you can go from 0 to 100% battery in no time. The charger also features advanced safety features, including temperature control and overcurrent protection, ensuring a safe and reliable charging experience. Say goodbye to slow charging times and embrace the convenience of the Anker Prime 100-watt GAN wall charger for your Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. To complete your Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra experience, the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic is the perfect accessory. This premium smartwatch combines style and functionality, allowing you to stay connected and track your health and fitness goals with ease. With its circular Super AMOLED display, the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic offers a stunning visual experience, providing crisp and vibrant colors. The Galaxy Watch 6 Classic is equipped with a wide range of health and fitness tracking features, including heart rate monitoring, sleep tracking, and even an ECG sensor. It also offers advanced workout tracking capabilities, allowing you to monitor your progress and achieve your fitness goals. With built-in Wi-Fi and LTE connectivity, you can receive notifications, make calls, and stream music directly from your wrist. There you have it, our top 5 Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra cases and accessories. Investing in high-quality cases and accessories is essential to protect and enhance the functionality of your Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. Which one caught your eye? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow Galaxy S24 users.